Hi, this is Cheryl, and welcome to my channel, Art by Cheryl Ann. And today I'm going to show you how to make these little jump rings that you attach to your stained glass sun catcher pieces. And I'm going to show you how to tin them. So you can make your own by using copper wire, and I use 18 gauge copper wire. And it is uncoated. You want to make sure it's uncoated copper wire that you use. And I get it on a spool like this. It comes in a big spool like this, and it's not that expensive for the amount that you get. You can also buy tinned copper wire, already tinned, and you can form your own jump rings that way too, or you can buy your own jump rings, but this is much cheaper and you get to make as many as you need. So first off, I take the plain copper wire, 18 gauge, and I straighten it out with my nylon pliers. And you can use any wooden dowel or round piece, the diameter that you want your jump ring to be, and you simply wrap it around the dowel, making sure that your wraps are close together. Simply cut them, one cut, and you have jump rings. So now what I do is I take two pliers and I wiggle it side to side, not open and close, side to side, to close the little gap in the jump ring, to close it. And there you have it, a jump ring made with a wooden dowel. Or you can use, I have bale pliers that have different sizes. You can simply wrap your wire around that. Or you could use a crochet hook. I've used those before to make different size jump rings. But for the stained glass pieces, I kind of like them a little bit bigger, so they're easier to attach. But if you're making jump rings for jewelry, then you could use simply a crochet hook, and you can make them that way. So you just cut them straight across, and I have my flush cutters that I use for jewelry making. Now, if I'm making jump rings for jewelry, I would make a flat side on each side, so I would simply cut each loop as you go by turning the pliers around. So don't forget, you can use the tinned copper for this, and it's already set. So now I am taking my plain copper jump rings, and I'm going to tin them. And I'm using paper underneath them so that you can see that, but I don't generally use paper underneath it. It's just so you can see what I'm doing better. I want to make sure I cover them real good with flux. And I'm using an old paintbrush for that, but there are flux brushes out there that you can buy. And I'm using liquid flux. 60-40 solder is what I'm going to use with my soldering iron. And simply taking a pencil and holding down the ring so it doesn't float all over the place on you. You just simply touch the copper jump ring with a little bit of solder and just really rub it on there. It's no secret, it's not a hard thing to do. It's just, just rub it on there. So you have to do both sides. And I'll flip them over and do the other side in a second. And, I fluxed them completely on both sides, so they're all set to go. And you just keep rubbing it on there. Simple to do. You could also tin the wire before you form the rings. That would be simple too. Or you could simply take the rings and use the bare copper wire rings and apply them to your piece and then tin them while it's on the piece. So you could do it in any of those manners. But it would save you some money. You don't have to buy them. You can simply make them. They're not that hard to make. And I'm all for saving money. So once I get these coated with some tin. I call it tinning. Coat it with some solder. I'll go back over them real quick and just smooth them out. And I have tinned jump rings all set and ready for my next projects. Now I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit so they're pretty. So if you like this video, I hope this little tip video helps. It's a short video. Hit the like button, please. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And let me know what you're interested in seeing. I would love to hear from you. I like to know what people like and what they don't like. So let me know. Let me know how I can improve on my videos if you have an idea. I'm open to suggestions, and let me know. Appreciate it. So there you have it. I have them all smoothed out. Let them cool down a minute. And there they are close up. Not bad for homemade ones. Thanks for watching.